We're back at River Vista in Dillard, Georgia. If it looks familiar, it's because we reviewed it a while back, and that video blew up. But this visit, well, it's less about the park and more about the people, as this time we brought friends, food, and maybe a little trouble. It was just a relaxing weekend and, well, a brewing surprise. Check it out before the next video where things go a little sideways. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. If you want the full campground tour, size, amenities, and all that, the 2022 video covers it. I will link it below and at the end of the video. And over 10,000 of you have already watched that one. This time around, we met up with 3 other couples and soaked up some serious mountain chill time at the pavilion. Lots of laughter, lots of stories, and suspicious lack of vegetables. River Vista still delivers. It has great views, clean sights, and enough space to gather with your friends. This is definitely a spot we'll keep coming back to. We almost made it through the entire trip without anything breaking, but of course, this is us. Stay tuned, because something oily this way comes. So here at River Vista, we've got Dan and Beth there. Wes and Carol left us already. And there we are, Dave and I. And then we got Nancy and Terry down here. So somehow, even though we didn't make our reservations at the same time, we were all able to get these right in front of the pavilion and the pool. And it's nice to be able to fit in a regular campsite. And there's a pavilion. And we hang out here, we do our lunches here, play LCR. In the winter time we do the fire pit, have our drinks out here, and then go to the pool. And bring the music out here and chill. In that other building is a huge hot tub. Very nice place. And the views are wonderful. What do RVers do when they're not fixing things? Eat and drink, of course. We hit up a local winery, 12 Spies. We highly recommend it. And they are followers of ours, which I thought was really cool. And we also made it to a couple flea markets. Dave bought stuff too. He hates flea markets, but he likes this one.
Dad.
Bloody Mary morning, asparagus, pickles, shrimp, bacon, celery, olives.
Wow.
Zing zang.
You put all that in there?
Just like this right here. Look at here, put a little of this on top. Just a little sprinkle of this. With a shrimp.
Pickled asparagus too. And there's the wind. Dave's gonna go get a drink, but we're right there, so no big deal. Dan's still cooking. He doesn't give a what the weather's doing. He says, I'll get her done. And then there we go. And we're still having fun. We are down here partying regardless of what the weather does, because you know what? We can go into the bathrooms and save ourselves. There we go. Char. Hey.
Hi.
Making their walking tacos. Like smashing a bag of Fritos, cutting the top off, putting meat on it.
Some tomatoes.
With cheese, tomatoes, onions, lettuce. Sarah wants to see walking tacos. Dave's walking around.
While we're eating, walk around eating it.
Bag.
We're afraid. Good job.
You like it?
Excellent choice.
All right. What you think? You're not walking though. You're not walking either.
I'm walking, but I'm done. Walking.
River Vista RV Resort in Dillard, Georgia is one of them places that makes you think RV living might actually be easy. Tucked in the mountains near the North Carolina line, it's clean, quiet, and big rig friendly. Sites run $65 to $84 a night, so yeah, it's a little highfalutin, but you're worth it. And you get full hookups, indoor and outdoor pools, the hot tub, and a pavilion perfect for good food and better company. You're just minutes from waterfalls, flea markets, shopping, and a winery or two if you're feeling fancy. It's rated 4.6 stars with over 600 reviews, and we could see why. Just don't count on the Wi-Fi to do anything too ambitious. You can book your spot at rvmountainvillage.com and start making some mountain memories of your own. If you're fixing to head to River Vista in Dillard, Georgia, here's what you ought to know before you roll up. The roads are paved and the entrance is decent, but if you're hauling a big rig with a toad behind, take those corners like grandma's fine china, slow and wide. Most sites are back in, and while some are nice and level, others will have you feeling like you're camping on a boat in high tide. Bring your blocks and a good attitude. Wi-Fi? Questionable. Cell signal? Depends on which way the wind's blowing. Uploading anything might require a sacrifice and a signal booster. Site privacy? Well, let's just say you're going to get real friendly with your neighbors. Hope you like morning small talk in your slippers or while you're dumping your tanks. But here's where they shine. River Vista's got a ton of extras. A fitness center, gift shop, recreation center, showers, propane, basketball court, playground, cabins you can rent, a picnic area with grills, laundry, a gem mine, and yep, even a dog park for your four-legged co-pilot. Here's a report card for River Vista in Dillard, Georgia. Getting in was smooth, no trees were harmed, and only one sharp word was muttered. Sites were a little snug, so hope you like your neighbors. I gave him a B+ for amenities. Hot tub was open, and Dave still gave him a B. I think he was just being a little salty they didn't have a beer tap next to it. Cell service, spotty internet, well, bless its heart. But we gave it a B- overall, and yep, we'd go back, as long as Dave gets a cooler next time. You're also close to wineries, flea markets, hiking trails, and even southern cooking to blow your carb count clean out of the water. So come prepared and maybe leave the scale at home. But just when we were finally relaxing, Max had other plans. Come on back next Saturday to see how this peaceful getaway turned into a slippery mess. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for rolling with Wax on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something and have a beer.